So we're getting ready to start our chicken noodle soup. I got my butter in here that's melted. We're going to go ahead and add the celery. And then also the shredded carrots that I shredded. Now let's go ahead and stir all this. We want this coated. I want that to just sit there and cook for a little bit. Give it a few. See that? You see what it's doing? You see it, you see it, you see it. Again, just letting that simmer. Let's do, say total about 5 minutes, but we're gonna add like 2 more minutes to this, and then once it's done, I'll show you next steps. So let it do its thing. And these are like with the carrots, right? You shred it, and then celery, you want to cut it so it's not very big pieces. And to finish cooking and soften once it's have all the ingredients here in this pot. But here in a little bit, we're about to add the flour to it, and then I'll show you the steps after that. Okay. Now let me show you what I'm going to do next. Let's put flour and just, you see what I'm doing? I never measure anything, you all. I never. That's what I love about cooking. When it comes to baking, I'm not a baker. Cooking, I can cook anything. I love it. I enjoy it. See that? Everything good up. Now we are going to add chicken broth. We're going to do chicken broth in water. So I use one of these. And then we're going to add water. I have like 2 boxes of noodles, so you'll see as I go. And a little bit more. So there we go. All right, all. You want 2 of these. 2. So this is gonna thicken this up. Doesn't look like it now, but it will. It's gonna be creamy. Then I need to take my chicken breast that is already done cooking. I need to shred it and add it here as well. Number 2. Oh no. That's cream of mushroom. That's chicken soup. What'd I do? Did I just mess this up? I think I did. Not good. I don't know why I did that. I don't know what I did, but I definitely grabbed 2 of the wrong things. Can't believe I did that. So I'm going to need to add more. We're going to shred these and put it in here. She always knows when I'm shredding chicken. When chicken breast shredded, You're gonna just let this keep sitting and let it boil. Once it's done boiling, we're gonna reduce it so that it's on simmer to let it finish cooking. And that is really it. If you feel like you need to add more water to it, or another can of cream of chicken soup, do so. And again, this is to your liking, so you can take some out, you know, get a little spoon and try the soup and see if it's to your liking tasting. And you can add any more, you know, some more chicken soup base mix. I prefer this. I love it. It's great. But I think this makes this chicken noodle soup taste amazing. And people who've had my chicken noodle soup love it. They always want me to make more and more and more. But that's it. Let me know what you think in the comments, and yeah, but this is it, chicken noodle soup. Again, this is gonna thicken up and it's gonna be amazing. Cannot wait. Need this to start boiling. That is it. Thank you.